What's up, guys? This is Ross with Freedom Financial, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips on how you can be more confident. Now, boom, I'm going to start with a story with Kobe Bryant, RIP, one of the realest to ever play the game. And with Kobe Bryant, when I look at how he plays, one of the most respectable things about his game is his confidence. Now, what do I mean? When Kobe is going 0 for 8, 0 for 9, when he gets that ball for the 10th shot, he shoots it like he's never missed before. Like, it might sound crazy to most people, but if you go back and look at his footage and really study like his bad games where he played terrible, whenever he gets the ball after shooting whatever it is, 0 for 5, 0 for 7, the next shot he shoots with so much confidence as if he's never missed. And that's something I really, really respect because I believe that's true confidence. Now, I'll look into what the dictionary says confidence is, and what it is a feeling of self-assurance arising from one's appreciation of one's own ability. So essentially this is saying being self-assured in your own ability, which I definitely agree with. But my definition of confidence is a little bit different, and it aligns more with how Kobe's confidence can be seen. And what this is essentially is, it's when you can fail and then move forward without any loss in enthusiasm. I'm gonna say it again. When you can fail and move forward without any loss in enthusiasm. So in Kobe's instance, this is missing a bunch of shots, which most people, it would bring them down, and they'd say, hey, let me try just cutting and grabbing some rebounds, the shot's not there. But Kobe had so much confidence that even after missing a bunch of shots, he would still take the next one. Now, tips to be more confident. There's two sides to this. One, I need you to understand that first, that confidence is always inherent. So you might see a guy out wearing like a bunch of flashy clothes, see a girl with like a very, very nice car and think, oh, they're very confident. But the truth is, confidence is really an inward thing. You can have all those things and still not be confident, or you can have nothing and still be very confident. So just be mindful of that. Boom. I'm gonna start with the outward things to help your confidence first, and then I'm gonna go into the things that are more inward. Now, my first thing is dress. How you look is how you feel. So the first thing you wanna do is, if your wardrobe is just terrible, you're gonna wanna start looking to upgrade that a little bit. You can look on Instagram, you can go online, find out what a well-dressed person looks like. And obviously I would say keep your own inherent style. You want to have your own, your own touch, whatever you're wearing, and upgrade the wardrobe, and then when you pop out, don't just throw on whatever, put some effort, you look good, you feel good. So that's my first tip. Now, my second tip to be more confident is going to be self-assurance. You got to believe within yourself. You have to assure yourself that without anything else in the world, that you're good, that you alone are enough. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people, they get all these extra things, these excessive things essentially, because it's more than what you need, and they believe that it's gonna fill the void of confidence. But true confidence comes from knowing that you and yourself are enough. Now, my third thing is extremely, extremely important, because it's something that really, really matters, and this is putting in that work. Going back to Kobe, why could he be so confident taking the 10th shot after missing 9 in a row? It's because Kobe dedicated thousands of hours in the gym. So he knows within himself that he puts in the work to deserve to hit those shots. So let's say you're lacking confidence with talking, let's say, with communicating with people. What you're gonna do is literally practice communicating. You can't expect to be confident in something you did not put the time in. It doesn't make sense. So make sure you put in the time, put in the hours. That is extremely important. Now, my last point for being more confident is something I believe to be the very most important point, and that is living in your purpose. When you're doing something that you believe is your God-given right, your God-given purpose to do, and you're putting in 1,000% every day, like, I'll tell you that because I feel it personally, it's gonna light a fire inside of you. Like, nothing is gonna be able to stop you. You're gonna feel great. And I know a lot of people might say, well, I don't know what my purpose is, and that's why I encourage everyone to try different things. You're never gonna find your purpose if you stay doing the same things. Try cooking, try photography, videography, try working out, try every single thing, and that's how you'll find your purpose. And once you find it, put in those hours, go 1,000%, and I promise you, it's gonna light a fire inside of you that's gonna make you feel so good, and nobody's gonna be able to stop you. Your confidence is gonna be on 1,000. That's a promise, that's a guarantee. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something and become more confident. If you enjoyed it or learned anything at all, please click the like button, click subscribe, and stay tuned for more.